Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 7th of December, and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from TradeHub. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. According to our forecast, we have almost reached our minimum targets, and now a correction is developing in wave 4. After this formation, I plan to enter purchases with targets of 1.23 and possibly higher. For the franc dollar, our forecast worked out perfectly. As we expected, after the formation of the third wave, we get a correction within the wave 4, after the end of which we will get another decline within the fifth wave. British pound dollar. According to our forecast, after the formation of the ending diagonal, we received a powerful price reduction. Let me remind you that we closed our purchases at 1.35. While I'm out of the market, after the correction I plan to gain sales. For the Canadian dollar, we received a price surge upward. We will observe what will eventually form, whether it will be a new trend in an upward direction or a correction to a decrease. The validation level for this ending diagonal is marked on the chart, and in case of crossing this level, we will switch to another option which tells us about continuation of decline. For the Australian dollar, I switched to this option. In the event of a deeper correction, we will purchase in long-term positions. The upward movement is already dying out for WTI crude oil. We can talk about buying only after a more impressive correction which should happen after such increase. While I'm out of the market. Standard & Poor's Index. It is likely that we got the leading diagonal within first wave. At this point, we have a clear zigzag, so I don't close my purchases since it is also possible with extensions and a sharp and powerful price move in the upward direction. Instead, extensions could be in such way: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the upward movement. In the gold market, after the impulse, we got a zigzag. It is likely that it is the only beginning of a correction and we will see it more deeper and more complex. And the last for the day, Bitcoin. Sideways movement in Bitcoin is already dragging on, and the ratio of waves 2 and 4 is already beyond the norm. But as this is still working option, wave 5 may be small scale since we are at a strong resistance level. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.